welcome back to Willy's channel. Here we are going to do some scrambled eggs for our cooking video today. We're going to put the butter on? Butter? Okay, so we're going to put the butter on now. Stab it with the fork. I have to be really careful. Oh yeah. Melting it. Look at that. Oh, my hands are getting hot. Ooh, okay. Going to be a lot of butter in these places.
Okay, do you want to crack the eggs or you want me to do the eggs?
I'll try.
Okay, why don't you try one and see how it goes?
Ooh, this one's already cracked. Ugh. And then do I just open it?
Mm-hmm. Open it all the way so the yolk can come out. Pull it apart into two halves.
Ow! My hands! I'm just letting it drip.
Well, you gotta get the yolk out too. You
Okay.
gotta open it a little more. There we go.
I think I just filled the crack.
No worries. Okay, I'll do it.
Mom's doing the eggs now. Golden sage. Sagey! Sagey! Hi! She's not smiley right now. But she's normally. Oof, almost all the eggs.
This is a big blueberry.
Yeah, that's a big blueberry.
Yeah, that's pretty much a big one.
Okay, now we're gonna need some salt.
Salt. Can I put the salt?
Do a little pinch of it. And then sprinkle it over the eggs. You need 2 more pinches.
Okay.
And
Ooh, that's gonna be good.
All
And then pepper? Just a little bit though. I don't really like pepper. But I think that's good.
okay.
I didn't even mean to pour it.
Okay.
But I used it.
All right, now get that spatula there, buddy, on the counter, the black one, and then kind of break up the yolks. There you go.
I'm just going to mix it all.
Good, and kind of scrape off the bottom so it doesn't burn. Good job, you're doing great.
Ooh. Scrambled.
Scrambled. Watch your hand against the hot pan.
Oof, yeah.
Good job, looking great.
Mom?
Yeah, sprinkle the cheese out of the cheese bag.
Cheese, okay. Where is it? I think this is good, right?
More than that.
A little bit more. This is good, right?
Yeah,
Nom nom.
Oh, yeah.
that's good.
Hey, you can't eat cheese.
Oh, James. Sorry.
Potatoes, my. Oh. But, okay, so let's get. Okay. My plate. For mine. And then, okay, where do we put this? Let's have her just hold it in the air. Ooh.
And I don't like
Look at my
scrambled
beauties.
eggs.
All right, James, you want some eggs?
That's a lot of cheese I sprinkle. But yeah. Okay. Get a few potatoes. Make it real.
All right, I gotta try it and see how it tastes.
I always have these, but see if these are good. You know, I made them. Basically. Ah, they're kind of hot.
Is it good? 10 out of 10?
I eat
10 out of 5.
cheese off the floor.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.